Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your password on your Steam account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Steam Store homepage where you can access your account settings. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this menu, select Account Details. This will take you to your main account management page where you can view and modify your account information. Once you're on the Account Details page, look at the left panel. You'll see several menu options listed there. Click on Security and Devices. This section is crucial as it contains all the settings related to your account security, including password management and device authorizations. Within the Security and Devices section, you'll find an option that says Change Password. Click on it to begin the password reset process. This is the primary way Steam allows you to update your login credentials and maintain account security. Steam will now present you with different verification methods to confirm it's really you making this change. For instance, click Email and Account Verification. This method sends a unique code to your registered email address, ensuring that only you can authorize password changes on your account. Next, open your email inbox and look for the message from Steam containing your account verification code. Copy this code carefully. This code is time-sensitive and serves as proof that you have access to the email address associated with your Steam account. Go back to the Steam page and paste the verification code in the designated field. Once you've entered the code, click Continue. Steam will verify the code and grant you access to change your password. Now you'll see a field where you need to enter your new password. Type in your new password carefully, making sure it's strong and secure. A good password should include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. In the next field, re-enter your password exactly as you typed it before. This confirmation step ensures you haven't made any typing errors and that you'll remember your new password. Finally, click Change Password to save your new credentials. Steam will process your request and update your account with the new password immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Steam account password, giving your account an extra layer of security. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.